Question 2, JAMB Chemistry. Acid hydrolysis of nitriles will yield dash. A. Alkanes. B. Aldehydes. C. Carboxylic acid. D. Alcohols. Good. First of all, let's consider what do we mean by nitrile. Nitrile is any organic compound which contains cyanide. And what is cyanide? Cyanide is a compound that contains carbon and nitrogen bonded together by triple bond covalently. This is cyanide, Cn. Now, let me write it in terms of bonding. This is we have triple bond, okay? There is one other bond coming from here. That's triple bond between the carbon and nitrogen element. So there is triple bond. Now, we can have two kinds of cyanide. We can have the inorganic cyanide and we can have the organic cyanide. The inorganic cyanide behaves like an ion. So when inorganic cyanide combines with elements, they don't form nitriles, they form inorganic compounds. So like if you have sodium nitrite, so that's not organic. Now, but when cyanide combine with organic compounds, they form nitrile. So it will behave like a molecule. And in fact, it will serve as a functional group in that compound. For instance, if cyanide combines with the alkanes, it's going to lead to alkane cyanide, or we call it cyanoalkane. It can combine with benzene, so we call it benzene cyanide. Many other compounds. So now, let's now see what we mean by acid hydrolysis. That's if you add acid to a nitrile and we add water to it, what will that produce? It's going to produce, the correct answer is carboxylic acid. It's going to produce carboxylic acid. For instance, if we combine methyl cyanide, that's CH3CN, if we combine it with hydrochloric acid, with water, H2O, this will lead to the production of ethanoic acid. And then it will lead to, the byproduct is going to be ammonium chloride. So let's see how we are going to have our ethanoic acid. That's CH3COOH plus NH4Cl. So this is the product. So in short, anytime nitriles combine with acid, so that's what we call acid hydrolysis with the presence of water. So it will lead to the production of carboxylic acid. So ethanoic acid is a carboxylic acid. What do we mean by carboxylic acid? Those organic acid that that belong to the family of hydrocarbon called alkanoic acid. So their functional group is the carboxyl group. That's COOH, which is like this. So this is their functional group. This is what we always have for combination for the acid hydrolysis of nitrile. So looking at this compound, we have to balance the chemical equation. So how many carbons do we have here? 1, 2. How many do we have here? We have 2. This is balanced. How many hydrogen? 1, making 3. We have we have 5 acid. Okay, I can put 2 here. So then how many oxygen? We have 2 oxygen. This is balanced. How many chlorine? Just 1. This is balanced. Thank you for viewing this. God bless you.